Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to keep your number private when making a call on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dial pad. So I'm going to click on here just like so, and it's going to open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top side at the top. Click on that, it takes you right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for carrier features. So click on that, it takes you right there. So if you are using dual SIM card, so it simply means that you have SIM 1 and SIM 2. If you want to use SIM 1 for call and you want to hide the number and you want to make the number private each time you are making call to any line, what you need to do is to simply select the line that you want to be using. So I'm selecting the first line. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on additional settings. So it's going to load up. So it's going to load up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on caller ID. So click on that. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide number. Simply click on that. So it's as simple as that. So each time you want to use this line or you want to use this SIM card to make call, your number will not be displayed from their phone. It only display private number. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to keep your number private when making calls on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.